Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include East Hazel Crest, South Chicago, and Riverdale. This includes Prairie State College and South Suburban College, including the following interstates: Interstate 80 at mile marker 155, Interstate 90 between mile markers 105 and 107, Interstate 94 between mile markers 85 and 74, Interstate